Okay, now you've got a question that's going to say magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. From those words, you're going to have to write part 1, a word equation. So you take that magnesium, that's magnesium reacts with, so that those are the two reactants. These are our reactants, reacts with oxygen to form or to produce. Whenever you hear these words, you think of the arrow. Magnesium oxide, which is our product. I hope you get that well. Magnesium oxide is the product. Now, after that, the chemical equation. The chemical equation is Mg plus O2. So I'm getting that from the periodic table, giving MgO. The tough part is this MgO. And I made a video showing you how you write the formulae. So those are the twos. Remember, the magnesium is in group 2, it's +2. Oxygen group 6 is -2. They do the crisscross. Because they're both twos, they cancel out and you just get MgO. Now, from there, you need to now balance this equation. Now that's the tough part. To balance, you find out how many magnesiums there are on the left side, how many magnesiums there are on the right side. So I'll start with the magnesiums itself. Okay, I have got one magnesium on this side, one magnesium on this side. With oxygen, I've got 2 on the left side for my reactants, and I only have 1 on my product side. Now I have to balance this equation because the oxygens are not balanced. So what I do to balance it, I always, the reason I put boxes there, and in your exam most likely you won't see boxes, you need to put 2 in front of the Mg to change that. So now that has changed to 2, the oxygen has also changed to 2. I have fixed my oxygen, but my magnesium now is off whack. That's a 1, that's a 2. So what I do is I go to the left side and see how can I change this magnesium to a 2. I add a 2 in front of that box, and that way my magnesium is balanced. And even my oxygen, it's balanced. So that is my final balanced equation for magnesium reacting with oxygen. Any questions?
What's the box you're going to use for?
Good question. So that box is just a 1, or we could just leave it blank. So it'd just be like that. So the final equation actually will just be like 2. That'll be a 2 there, plus oxygen. You don't put you can put a 1, but you don't have to. Gives 2 MgO. That is a proper balanced equation.